Hello, this machine just arrived Lagos at Lekki. Here is the machine. The owner have received the machine. Today is 1st April 2023. We came and installed the machine. This is a 60 capacity, 12 to 16 hours type. They have installed the machine. The machine has been installed. As you can see, here is the pipe. We are still gassing the machine. We are still gassing it. As you can see, this Code City Technical. If you need any of our machine, just call us on 08066 299 We deliver this machine, payment on delivery, and the owner received it at Lekki. As you can see, here is the inside. We are still gassing it. We are still gassing it. As you can see, we are still gassing it. Here is the inside. After gassing it, they will load their tide water inside it. Here is the inside of the machine. This is 60 capacity. Let's go at the outside. Here is the outdoor unit. As you can see, we are still gassing it and it's working very okay. It's working very okay. Here's the outdoor unit. It's working perfectly okay. This machine is being installed at Lekki, Lagos State. At Lekki, it's being installed at Lekki, Lagos State. One of my engineers in Lagos, in Lekki, I called him. He went and installed it. As you can see, here is when the blocks are blocked, solidly blocked. They are blocked, as you can see. As you can see, they loaded it and it blocked overnight. They loaded it around 5 o'clock in